Don't go in there. They're having the let's try to figure out what customers want meeting again. It's gotten a little weird.
Signups are strong, but adoption of key features remains stagnant. What do you do?
We gotta merge that PR. Yeah, we have to. That's our only choice. Okay.
We cast merge on the PR for the new dashboard.
Oh no.
Your actions have caused the company to go viral for the wrong reason.
God.
Oh no, what do we do?
Roll for initiative.
No, I can't do that.
New features shouldn't be left to a roll of the dice. Use DEVCYCLE to ship with low risk and instant rollbacks. Unrolls, re-rolls. How do we make this into a dice pun?
Well, boy, howdy. That ended very abruptly for some reason. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to DevCycle HQ here on LinkedIn or Twitter or Twitch or X or YouTube or wherever you are right now. Welcome. Happy Friday. It's been a minute, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. I'm super excited that you are here with me today for a little bit of fun for this feature flag Friday. Let me do some adjustments here. If you're watching in chat, I know we got 4 people on here, and you can chat everywhere now. We got some folks over on YouTube, some folks on X. Jump into that chat, say hello. Let me know how my audio is sounding. I got a little fan going here today. I don't know if it's actually disrupting my microphone or not. I'd love to know. I might have to log over and check and see myself, actually. Let me go over here and see. I got another window over here. I can go see how my audio sounds. Oh, no, it seems okay. Seems okay. Yeah. But anyways, hopefully, say hello. Let me mute myself over here. I don't need to watch and mute myself places. I love it showing me now I'm watching in 2 places. So welcome again. You have happened upon my favorite stream of all the streams that I do, not just because I get to jump into some code and have some fun, but I really get to kind of like answer the question of like use cases and like places where feature flags can go. So a little bit of background if you're new to the channel. This is DevCycle. DevCycle is a feature flag management platform. So what we do is we provide you with a way to target specific audiences with specific features using this awesome technology called feature flags. And what I do on these Friday streams, these Does It Toggle streams, is I explore interesting technologies that maybe could have feature flags in them. And we play around with it and we learn in real time here on stream. This is either a good idea or a bad idea. Most of the time it's good. And today it is bound to be a lot of fun. So I hope that you are here to have some live coding fun. I need to get some music on because it's not fun if you've got no music. Let me unmute that. Get some feeding the ducks going there. I don't like feeding the duck when I'm coding though. Lo-fi is always good. Night driving is good. Rock, no. Dance pop? Nah, this is always a lot. The acoustic cinema? No. Into space. I think into space will work now. Lo-fi it is. All right, there it is. This is what we're going for today. Amazing. All right, well, we're here on stream. We've got some music playing. We're gonna jump into some code now. Let me get a screen up here so I can show you what today's going to be all about. Let's close this down. Let's close this down. Let's close this and this. And which screen do I want to share? I'm going to share this bar screen. Yeah, there's nothing up there that's super bad. So let's share that screen. Share screen, entire screen. Screen 1. All right, here we go. We got a screen. But a screen is not what you're here for. You are here for some code. So let's get this up here. And let's take a look at a couple of things that are kind of really important for today. The first one, DevCycle. The second one is going to be OpenFeature. And then the third one is going to be LOLCODE. So here's the focus today. We are going to try and add OpenFeature compliant feature flags to a project built in LOLCODE. And we'll talk a little bit more about LOLCODE in a minute. And then we're going to try and use DevCycle as the feature flag management platform. Now, I will say with full confidence that this will probably not go the way that I intend for it to go. I have a dream that I'm going to be able to do this, but that dream may not come to reality. So I think I said in, maybe I'll go this side now. I want to go this way. No, this one. No, where's the one I'm looking for? There we go. So this may be my most ambitious because I don't know if this task is actually possible, but we're going to try, we're going to do some stuff. We're going to play around with some technologies. It'll be a thing. Either way, you'll learn something new about all of these pieces as we kind of go through this process. So if you've never heard of OpenFeature before, so DEVCYCLE, I described, we're a feature flag management platform. OpenFeature is this new kind of standard in feature flagging. So there's like a spec of like how you're meant to do feature flagging. So things like the evaluation API and kind of like what that looks like. And then LOLCODE is an esoteric programming language. So if you've never heard of an esoteric programming language, these are, so it's exactly as it sounds. I don't even know the definition of esoteric definition. I feel like let's look that up because I feel like that's going to help us. Yeah, very unusual or understood by a small number of people. So that is like the definition of what esoteric is. And there are a ton of esoteric language. Two of my favorites are actually here that I have played around with in years gone past. Chicken, the programming language Chicken programming language. Which is so funny because it's literally, oh yeah, this is right, because this is like the actual esoteric. So literally this is hello world in the Chicken esoteric programming language. So like this complete thing is saying chicken, or saying hello world, sorry. And then the other one is chef. And I suppose I can just do it in here, language by list or language. And there's a ton of these programming languages. Where's chef? Chef. So chef is like you're building a program in like this weird kind of recipe, and it's very cool because do they give you, or yeah, it's just a program. So like this would be a way to do hello world. And basically it's all about like the first letter of the food that you're putting in there. There's like a description of chef. I feel like it's not here. Chef programming language. Where is it? Is it this one? Does this actually explain it? Yeah, take ingredient from refrigerator, read an integer, push value to the top of the bowl. So like it's like, it's not, I don't think it's Turing complete. But that's okay. I mean, not all of these languages are Turing complete. Let me zoom in here. But yeah, so that's what these are, these esoteric program languages. But the one that I wanted to focus on today, just because I thought it was very meme-y, like meme-like, was a language called LOLCODE. And so for those of us who have been around the internet for a while, you may recognize this kind of language. So this like, hi, can I has cheeseburger? I don't know. Is that can I has cheeseburger? Where is it? I feel like there's, yeah, like, I don't know if you remember this meme, this like, can I has cheeseburger from like back in the day. Does this actually talk about the original meme? Is it? Yeah, this is the meme that started it all. That's it. That was the one. And so this was like the inspiration for this LOLCODE programming language, which I think is super cool. I love when there's like these very strange little things that kind of come from other things. I don't know if you agree. That statement didn't really make a lot of sense, but I was really interested in going and playing around with this. And so what I want to do today is, if you've tuned into the stream before, like we'll do the feature flag stuff, but the first step is we have to actually go in here and look at the documentation here. And now just a note here, I don't think this has been updated in like 10 years. Like this is an old programming language, and arguably it's deprecated or depreciated, or it's no longer being supported. Future, yeah, I wonder, has this been updated? No, like 9 years ago, 10 years ago, last year. I wonder, has it been, is LOLCODE dead? Yeah, I looked this up yesterday. That's from last year. LOLCODE. History of LOLCODE. Yes, this is interesting. Born out of LOLSpeak and the popular lolcat internet. What is LOLSpeak? I feel like this is probably like the language around that. LOLSpeak, internet slang, lolcats. Is there an actual like Urban Dictionary? We're not going to Urban Dictionary. Constructed languages for language geeks. Interesting. But yeah, so that's where it came from. And then syntax. So all medium. Why are you the way you are? I mean, we'll go and look at the documentation here, but I thought that it said something. Taylor LOLCODE 7 years ago. Is there anything newer? Maybe I'll look at like more tools. Anytime past a year. 10 weirdest list of April Fool's Day jokes, wild card. I mean, maybe I don't care anytime, but I want to see the most recent ones first. All results verbatim. LOLCODE, LOLCODE tutorial, Object Pascal. I mean, we might actually see. I wonder if there is actually a LOLCODE tutorial. Maybe we should do that first together. LOLCODE tutorial. Hey, there's one there. LOLCODE tutorial here. This is all over on GitHub. A gist. Is there like a good one here? Localized. Never heard of this one before. Well, that's cool. There's an actual video to walk through. I don't know if we're going to do that. Installing LOLCODE. I mean, this is useful for us. I don't think we're going to do it this way. I think we might use glitch today, but this is good to know. So to get started, we'll need an interpreter to run our scripts. We're going to use LCI, LOLCODE interpreter written in C. Install Python. Comments. Working with variables. I feel like we can find a lot of this stuff in the documentation. Oh, Codecademy has something. All right. I feel like this is the one for us. Do you need to log in? I feel like you don't. You shouldn't need to. But we're gonna do this either way. We're gonna go through and learn this. Yeah, I guess I'll sign up. There you go. All right. LOLCODE, esoteric programming language, instructions. Click next. Let's go through this. Next. Programs are stored. They have the file extension lol. Good to know. Okay, so lol is the file extension. First line contains hi and a version number. The last line contains the word okay, thanks, bye. For example, the above code we're using version 1.2. Okay, all LOLCODE keywords are written in uppercase. Sick. Okay. Okay. Oh, I love that it's giving us like what these mean. I love that. In the index, type 2 required lines of LOLCODE. All right, let's do this. So we're going to do hi 1.2 and then K, thanks, bye. All right. I think this will let us do it. Hey, 2 in the bash terminal, type the following. All right, let's read this. All right, we did that thing. Hooray, we got it. Sick. All right, so we have it in there, ran that file. It did the thing that we wanted it to do. Amazing. All right, lolcat programs may create output messages to user with the visible command. We can use it to print a text message by putting double quotations around it. So let's go visible hi world, visible, oh, hisible, not hisible, visible hi world. All right, let's see if this does it. Insert a line between hi, get the expired line visible. Okay, let's run this again. Oh, won't let us do that. There we go. Okay, sick, run the following command in your terminal. I did. Run. There we go. All right, sick. All right, so that's pretty easy so far. Great. Selling hello world. All right, I can be useful to store a value and use it later. Variables are similar. I have a variable name, value, for example, declare a message. I have a message, it's Suppose you want to print a message multiple times, visible message. Okay, put your name into a new variable called appropriately name. All right, so we're going to go into here and we're going to say I has a name. It's Andrew. All right. And let's run this. Great. Print your name 3 times using the name variable. Visible name, visible. I feel like there's probably going to be a loop here. Visible name. All right, let me zoom this in too, because I realize this is not super zoomed in right now. All right, let's run this. Sick. Okay, so there you go. We printed it 3 times, but now let's actually like go and do this and see what it does. Great, Andrew. This is LOLCODE. This is it. I wish that it was indented. I really do. Hi, its name's Andrew. Love this. Love this. All right, comments. By the way, creating a message. All right, as with the programming languages, BTW. We can also place comments after other code. All right, okay. Add a comment after the line hi and before I has a. Okay, BTW, I am a comment. Let's go. And you'll see here. So I'd love to do a barrel roll. See this. Do a barrel roll. Sick. All right, next. Multi-line comments. Oh, by the way, TLDR. I love this so much. Very long comments. We'll span until the first TLDR. We've made different lines of code. It can be tiresome to always prefix and BTW. As with BTW, everything inside BTW be ignored. Okay, hold the phone. Oh, what just changed here? Why do I have background music playing right now? Weird. Just like other background music just started playing on me. That's like the second time that's happened in the past few days. All right, so when we have many lines of code, it can be tiresome to always prefix them with BTW, OBTW, as with BTW, everything inside OBTW comments is ignored. Oh, I see. Convert the BTW. Oh, okay, I see what it's asking. Where is it? Home? Yeah, there we go. So technically, I can just do TLDR, and I think this will work. Oh, what? Oh, it does it. I bet you it doesn't like that I still have BTW in here. Bet you that'll work though. There we go. Yeah. So now if I run this again, nice, love it. Next, user input. I has a opinion. Internet would be quite. Let me voice your opinions. Do a variable called gimme. Gimme. Must first declare a variable. Okay. Give me opinion. I have an opinion. Give me opinion. Right now, the opinion is hard coded. Great. So we're gonna unhard code it. I has a opinion. It's. Oh, okay. So I'll just get rid of that. And then I want to do. Give me opinion. I feel like that's gonna do it. Sick. Start the program by running the file. Sick, give me an opinion, please. Cats are better than dogs. Ooh, I see somebody in chat. Let me see who's in chat. Your opinion is wrong. All right, who's in chat with me here? Hey, casual economist, welcome, welcome. We are playing around in LOLCODE today. So you have arrived at the perfect time. If you don't know what LOLCODE is, it is inspired by I Can Has Cheeseburger Cat from back in the day. And so we're going to do some feature flag stuff with this. We're going to try and make it open feature compliant. I don't know if that's going to happen. We're going to see. We're going to see what happens. But yeah, so here we are. We are here. Where's my phone? I need to make sure I'm paying attention to stuff. All right, we got lots of people here too. So welcome. Where is everybody? We got some people over. Nobody over on LinkedIn. Are we not on LinkedIn? No, we are. On X, YouTube, Threads. All right. Yeah. All right. Let me go back here, and we're just going through kind of the introduction here, so that we can see how all this works. All right. We've written our first LOLCODE, and thus we learned all these things. Feel free to play around in the code editor. Move on when you're ready. Up next, what do we got next? Not sure yet. Do we have more for lolcat? Oh, we get a quiz? No, skip for now. Ooh, strings on strings. All right. This is cool. LOLCODE allows us to combine, or it is on LinkedIn. Oh, you should post on LinkedIn. No, sorry, I see. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, LinkedIn is like a weird place to stream, but I like it. I like it as a place to stream. Even just to have, like, most people are watching on YouTube most of the time for this, but it's good to have. All right, LOLCODE, allow me to interpret it. For example, the code below will be executed. Okay, view results in, what is in? Is it the in thing? Results, okay. Strings on strings. LOLCODE allows us to combine or connect multiple strings together by using smush and MK. Yeah, fair. BTW results in baklava. Visible smush baklav. Okay. Oh, so okay, this is just it. I was just like really confused here, but it's because BTW is a comment line. Okay, so really all we care about is this. What's it asking us to do? Declare first name variable and read it. Put in the value from user. Read in the value from the user. Okay. Declare the first name variable. All right. I has first name and read in the value from the user. Is it gimme first name? And then we're gonna do visible smush hi there, or hello, space, oh, hello, and then first name. Let's see if this works. No. Did you create a variable? I has Okay, what was it? Let's go back. Do we have hints? I don't know if I has a first name. Okay, yes. Give me first name. Yep. Oh, smush MK. That's what it is. Yeah, that did it. So it's just missing the MK. I have to figure out how to good professional. Yeah, I hear you there. All right. This nomenclature is gonna, like, this like structuring is gonna catch me. I get it. It's like you're closing things, but it's definitely gonna catch me. All right. Did we not do it? Declare and read in a last name variable from user. Okay, first name, and then space, and then last name. I has a last name. What kind of code? Oh, it's lolcat. It's LOLCODE. Yeah. So this is literally called LOLCODE. So we're literally programming in LOLCODE right now, which is like that inspired by I has cheeseburger cat. So this is actually like a program that we're writing right now in LOLCODE. I should make this bigger. There we go. All right, I has first name, I has last name, swash last name. I think that'll do it. Did that do it? Did you read in last name? I has a last name. Oh, give me last name. Give me last name. Let's run this. Hey, all right, and then we're gonna paste in here. Oh no, this is LCI hello.lol. Is it index.lol? Index.lol. Index.lol. What do we got? Why are you not running? Something? Oh. Give me first name. I guess it doesn't actually ask you, Andrew McLean. Hello, Andrew McLean. All right, so we got a program. We got a program working. Let's go. We got it, but it should ask us, give me first name. But I feel like we did something different before. I feel like we said, was it like first name and then last name? Hold on. Last name. I think this was the format that we used. And then, oh, identifier at first name. How did we do this last time? Introduction to LOLCODE. Hello, LOLCODE. I don't want to really. Oh, I just lost everything that I did. Oh, that was dumb. Create a program, multi-line comments, user input. Oh, why did I do that thing? Why did I do that thing that I just did? Okay, will you not go to the user input? Okay. All right. Yeah, that makes sense. That tracks. Okay, let's go back to our syllabus. There's a lot of stuff in here, actually. Wow. Okay, variables and data types. Strings on strings. Was it this one? No, that's string interpolation. I has extension. It's what? I don't think we even got beyond hello LOLCODE. LOLCODE's strings on strings. All right. Oh, we did get past this. Okay. Because yeah, I guess our program worked, hey? Oh, it is still there. Okay. Yeah, so this is the issue. So this is like, I needed to say visible first name, question mark, visible first name, visible last name, visible last name, visible smosh, hello, first name, last name. Okay, let's run this. LCI, index.lol. Oh, I didn't need to change this. Hold on, hold the phone. Give me, all right, try this again. Oh, maybe the run. Okay, let's try this now. All right, let me cancel this. Can I cancel? What? Oh, duh. All right. Give me, because ask for those first, and then I need to do it. So let's change the order here. So first name, visible first name, and then we're gonna go give me last name, visible last name. Okay, run. Let's do this again. Okay, so now first name, Andrew. I guess I don't need to show this, hey? Don't need to actually show my first name. Don't need to show visible last name. I'm gonna smush them both together. And let's cancel this. And then first name, Andrew, last name, McLean. Hello, Andrew McLean. All right, so there's our program. That's sick. All right, I'm gonna copy this just in case. I feel like I might need it later. All right, so that was strings on strings. String interpolation. For the case of smoshing together strings and variables, LOLCODE puts for string interpolation, placing variables within strings in an easy to read format. We can insert a variable inside a string using that. Okay. All right. So what are we going to do? Read in first name variable from user. Oh, yeah, I'm glad I copied that. So read in first name, then print hello, and the first name, hello first name, same line. Okay. So we're gonna do visible instead of this. We're gonna do hello first name. Yeah, I think it's hello first name. That should work, and then we don't actually need this. Okay, let's cancel, run. I bet you that's gonna work. No. Did you print a hello and the first name variable? I did print hello and the first name variable. Baklava. I has an extension. It's okay. Oh, maybe I just need to do this. Run. Did you print out hello and the first name variable? I did. Has a first name. I has a last name. Visible first name. Give me last name. Visible. Oh. Bet that's it. Nope. Do I need the space? Comma space. Run. All right, let's try this now. LCI index.lol. First name, Andrew. That's definitely shorter. I can definitely handle that. All right, yeah, I like that better. Oh, read an additional variable. Hello, first name, last name. Oh, yeah, that's fine. All right, so let's go. I has last name. Last name. We're going to copy all of this. Copy. All right, and then we're going to change this to last name, and then hello first name. And then I have a suspicion that I got to do the same. Actually, I might be able to just do last name. Oh, stop trying to save automatically. Let's go run. And the two variables combined with string interpolation. First name and last names. And spaces before. Can I do comma? Will that work? Do I need to do an individual one of those before each one? I bet you maybe I do. Run? Yeah, that's weird. I wish that wasn't that way. Andrew, plain. All right, well, I mean, it works. I feel like there's probably a way to do that easier. Special string characters. Most programming languages have a way of embedding specialized characters in strings. New line, because colons are used to indicate a subsequent special character represents per a single colon. Okay, print your first name on one line and your visible name on the next line. And your last name on the next line using a single visible command containing that. Okay, fine. What is it? I has a first name. Was it it's? I think it is Andrew. I has a last name, Fester name, last name, first. It's McLean. By the way, if you're just here watching, welcome. Please feel free to come into chat, say hello. If you're wondering what we're doing, we're playing around with this LOLCODE language, and we're going to try and add feature flags to it. Hi, I has first name, I has last name. All right, visible first name. Yes, last name. And then I need to do it in here. And then do this. Oh, not that. I think this will do it. Last name, there. Oh, and run. Yes. Hey, let's go. LCI, index.lol. Oh, whoops. Wait, hold on. Oh, yeah. Hold the phone. Run. Expect it's. Okay. Hold on. Nomenclature. LOLCODE. Yeah, I don't want to have to keep jumping back and forth. LOLCODE. Where are you hiding? Language. I had it's. I wasn't being LOLCODE enough. All right, let's close this. Let's go back to here. It's. I keep forgetting, right? It's all capital. It's. Run. Did you put a new line? Or was this a tab? I have a feeling. Oh, what? Andrew represents a tab. Okay. Print your visible first name on one line and your last name on the next line using a single visible command. Print your name indented by a tab. Oh, all right. I think that'll work. Print a string containing your first name, double apostrophes around a nickname for yourself and your last name. Double quote. Okay. Is it all in the same line? Oh, I guess maybe it's different. Maybe we don't need to worry about this anymore. So there, and then this plus this. Drew. Do you do that on either side? Print. Did you put two quotations inside the string being printed? Oh, hold on. No, I didn't. There we go. Almost there. Put a string containing your first name and your last name and the magnificent. Print a string containing your first name, last name, and the magnificent. Oh, with the colon. Oh, I see. First name, last name, the magnificent. Magnificent. Success. So like LCI. I wish it was just lol. I mean, I bet you I can do that, but Andrew, Drew, McLean, the Magnificent. Next. All right, Unicode characters. Unicode. Heavy black heart. Oh, that's kind of cool. I like this. What am I trying to do? Print black right pointing index. So this is here, and then I'm just putting it in between there. So here, I just copy this. Oh, let me just copy this. And then copy this. Run. Done. Find another character from that list and print a string containing it. Unicode names list. What's another one? Heart. I feel like heart. Reversed rotated floral heart bullet. Oh, shamrock. I like that. Let's do this. Shamrock. So let's go visible. Run. That should do it. And let's actually run this. LCI index.lol. Ooh, unknown token at Shamrock because I didn't add this. Run. And run this again. Hey, let's go. We got a pointing finger and a Shamrock. Let's go. Skip for now. Skip for now. How far are we through this? How far? So this? What's wow? Oh, hold on. Great success. All right. Integer calculator. Well, let's play around with the number stuff. Let's see what this does. All right, maybe this is Turing complete. Not yet given a type. Types, variables, number, numbar. I love that. Yarn, string, truth, booleans. Oh, I love this. New version of someone who's new. Create a variable named count and store an integer in it. How do you do types? Did it actually show us this? Create a variable. Does this actually? So far, we've only seen strings. Okay, so create a variable named count and store an integer in it. Okay, I has a count. It's 1. Visible count. Run. Create a variable named age and assign it a decimal value. I has a age. It's 0.5. And then print age as well. Visible. Let's do visible count. Oh, I'm super confused. I'm definitely, trust me when I say this, I am very confused. I don't actually even know why it showed us this stuff, like why it's told us all this, because I don't know. Maybe this is just like type safe stuff. Like I don't actually know. But we're gonna find out. And then let's go this and these, and then age, and then I think that'll work. I think that'll do the job. No, print out visible count age. It's 0.5. Print age variable as well. Assign it a decimal value. It has an age. What did I do wrong here? Count age visible. I mean, do you want me to do it? Maybe it wants me to specifically do it. Visible count, visible age, visible run. Really? All right. And then we'll run this LCI index.lol. We haven't even gotten to the feature flag stuff yet. Next. LOLCODE allows converting variable to a different type, such as numbar, float. Variable is now a type. Casting a numbar to a number. Okay. I mean, I don't really know why you'd want to do that. Create a variable named rating, assign it a float value. All right, let's go. I has a rating. It's 1.5. All right, and then now rating is now a number. Oh, number 0.55. That should round up, I think. Rating is now a number. Okay, yeah. All right, run. That should do it. No, rating is now a number. Okay, thanks. Bye. I has a rating. It's 1.55. Create a rating and assign it a numbar float value. Okay, and then convert it to a number. Is now a number. And numbar, what is it? Did you print? Oh, and then print it. All right. Visible rating. Great. And then LCI, index.lol. 1. Yeah, so it rounds it to where it is. All right, what if I did 1.6? That should run. That should save it. Oh, dang. Does it not round up? I actually have no idea. I wonder if I do this like 2.9, does it always go to the closest? Doesn't actually round up. All right, fair enough. Good to know. Can you see comments on all? Yeah, I can see everywhere. Yeah, I can see on right now. I can see on X and Twitch and YouTube, but nobody's commented on LinkedIn yet because nobody's over there. It's weird. It's not showing me that, but I have a feeling some destinations won't get comments. Weird. Yeah, by the way, if anybody's interested, Casual Economist was just asking if I am seeing comments everywhere. All right, so that's that. Great. Not sure why I would ever use this. Converting string types or yarns to 2 numeric types is now A. Okay, that's what we just did. You'd be surprised if you checked. LOL. Oh, why? Is there something going on over on LinkedIn? All right, let me go over onto LinkedIn. Have I tried any other esoteric programming languages? Have I tried? Yeah, it's just super weird. I don't know why we're not seeing comments. So LinkedIn should be showing comments. Have I tried any esoteric programming languages? No, this is like the first one that I've really played around with. I've tried Chef. So I've tried Chef before, which is a cool one. Just to like, I was teaching programming to somebody. And I wanted to show them, like I was teaching about esoteric programming languages. Self-doing myself. What? I'm doing double D. Oh, yeah. Right. All right. Let's go over to our thing here again. Strings to numbers. Create a variable named purring volume. Converting strings to numbers. Create a variable named purring volume and read in a value for it. All right. I has a purring volume. It's 9 or 7. Let's do that. Will that work? Wait, what? Did you read input into the I has a? Yes, I did. Do I need it to be and read in a value for it? What do you mean read in a value for it? What do you mean? Converting strings to numbers can be useful when giving our program received input. Gimme. Oh, all right. Purring volume. Gimme. Purring volume. Maybe that'll do it. And then do you want me to display it? Okay. Convert purring volume to a floating point number and print it. Purring volume is now a floating point. I think that was number. Was that number? No. LOLCODE. File creation, naming. Where is it? Number. Where are you hiding? Is there a cheat sheet? LOLCODE cheat sheet. I don't trust that. Where are the types? Types. Oh, hold on. Float. Number. That's what it was. Number. Is now a number. Okay, thanks. Bye. Run. Convert purring volume to a floating point number. Did you print? Oh, really? All right. Visible purring volume. All right, that should work now. Yep. And then we run this, LCI, index.lol. Why is this still loading? Tutorial points, maybe. Yeah, let me pull this over to here so that I can read it, even if I don't want to dox people. What's this? Oh, that's all the Unicode stuff. Okay, that should do it. And then we want to run this. Oh, 1. 1. Unable to cast value. That makes sense. Okay, next. Sums and differences. This is going through a lot of stuff, and we're like an hour in. I want to have some more fun with this. Let's do something. Wait, hold on. What's going on? Ooh, somebody commented on something over on... Who commented? Oh, that's that comment that I saw. Hey, let's go. Welcome, PJ. This is PJ Metz. Yeah, we're doing Codecademy because we are exploring LOLCODE, and this seemed like the easiest way to get there. But you've arrived just in time for us to head over to Glitch, because I don't necessarily want to install this on my device. I mean, I could install LOLCODE, but I saw that Glitch actually lets you use LOLCODE by default, and so we're going to do that. And then not have to go through this whole process. Because I think we got the idea of it now. All right. Oh, look at all these things. Simple Discord bot. You have 1,000 more hours. By the way, if you've not used Glitch, it's awesome. Glitch website, import from GitHub. Find more. Is there a LOLCODE import from GitHub? I guess the one thing I don't like is that you can't just like start from scratch. Maybe you can. Remix your own basic website. I wonder, is there a Glitch LOLCODE? LOLCODE. Oh, maybe it was Replit that did this. That's what it was. It wasn't Glitch. It was LOLCODE. Replit. Let's go over to Replit. No, anywhere, man. Anywhere, PJ. Yeah, it's all the same all over the place. Everybody's watching in different places. Everywhere's good. I mean, that's what I say. I don't know if it's actually true. All of the places, but Casual Economist is everywhere. Everywhere. All right. Do I not have an account on Replit? Oh, I definitely have an account on Replit. Look at all the things I've done in here. Let's create a REPL. LOLCODE, is there like a... Oh, let's go. Choose a template. Basic language of lolcats. Create a REPL. There you go. Yes. Mr. Metzen around. All right, here we go. So we got LOLCODE. We got a starter for LOLCODE. Files, main.lol. Results of your code will appear here. Run. Hi, world. Hi, world. Hello, world. All right. Can I has studio? I don't know why. Can I has studio? What's this? I feel like maybe we didn't get this far. Can I has studio? Can I has? What does that do? Is that necessary? That didn't seem necessary. What library? Learn X in Y minutes. Yeah, it doesn't actually though. So you can do it without that. That's what's interesting. Maybe that's an older version, but you can do it without printing in there. So you can literally remove that, stop, start, and it still works. So that's the weird thing. I don't understand. I already hit my RAM limits. No, I didn't actually. Yeah, I think you're not wrong, but yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why I was doing that. This is cool. I forgot about. Maybe I've never heard of this site before. Learn to LOLCODE. Let's go. As a programming language has a string. I said integer. Oh yeah, it is type safety. By the way, except using integer. If I has animal, give me animal, both same animal and cat. To both same animal and cat. Oh, really? Yeah, really? Visible. Oh, yeah, we definitely didn't get to loops. But that's okay. We're going to get there. Yeah, it's so funny. You definitely... TW. Oh, importing standard headers. Standard headers. There we go. What does this mean? Importing standard headers. I wonder what this means. LOLCODE. What are standard headers? I wonder that maybe a LOLCODE. What are standard headers in C? Standard headers in C. Collection headers. So maybe, oh, that makes sense. Yeah. So this is input output. So technically it must be doing it automatically, but like maybe that's standard. Maybe that's best practice. I mean, it included it in here. So where is this here? Can I have studio? Oh, there's 1.3. Maybe that's it too. Let's go here. Hi, 1.3. Can I have studio? Stop, start. Okay, there. Okay. Let's start a variable. I has a, okay, let's get rid of this comment. Let's do a, I has a feature flag. And let's set this as, what is it? String? I has a string. I has a string feature flag. Oh, maybe, is there Boolean? There was Boolean. I has float untyped string. Oh, Boolean. There we go. Oh, really? And just Boolean? It's win? Oh, I forgot about this. BTW type is truth. I love that. I love that so much. So much. It's win. All right. Let's go over here and close this. There we go. I has a Boolean. It's feature flag. It's lose. Is there, do they actually show this? Win, lose, da, 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 da. Ba, 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 ba. Where are you? Type is truth. Can I return type? TLDR. Oh, I was like the multi-line comment. Inline comment. Da, 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 da. It's message, visible message. Ba, 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 ba. This is so... BTW type is yarn, type is number. Oh, you're literally naming. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Why am I doing this? I'm a fool. A fool, I tell you. I has a feature flag. Is it win and lose? It must be win and lose. Type is truth. What is the opposite of truth? Truth. LOLCODE. LOLCODE, darn you. LOLCODE types. It's literally just called truth. That's hilarious. Oh my goodness, I know. This is what I'm trying to figure out. Lies, fail, win, fail. It's a truth. Okay, thanks, bye. Bar 3, or fail. Oh yeah, win fail. In LOLCODE, the Boolean values are two types. Boolean generally have two values, true and false, but in LOLCODE, Boolean shows truth. And it's a truth. And the true false bears notes win fail respectively. It's bar 3, it's a truth. R fail, visible R3, fail. Bar 3, R fail. Yeah, it's so funny. Like, we didn't even get this far, and like that was, I'm unimpressed with that Codecademy stuff. I mean, not unimpressed. I shouldn't say unimpressed, but like I feel like it definitely left out a bunch of stuff. Syntax. Okay. Where's the R? What does R do? Yardley, yeah, I should just read through all this stuff. By the way, yeah, so I know this. Down cross variable equals variable minus time times. Give me, I got that. GTFO, it's a break. High, yes, got there. Here's another what only language equals variable. So shoe, I has a yes type variable. Number. 3 built-in types, words. It's so funny. This is like not as. Maybe this is 3. Maybe this is like the 1.3 stuff, because this is words. Decimumba. Decimumba is my favorite new word. I'm no longer going to call it a decimal. I'm going to call it a decimumba. Number. So much better. Prints an argument on screen. No way. Okay, thanks. Bye. Visible. So it's funny, there's just like multiple ways to say something. So if I say shoe is another what only. What's this what only? What only language extension? What only LOLCODE? What only? Does it actually explain this? Why don't you explain what only? Slide share stuff, lol graphics, esoteric program, lol code with graphics. Ooh. Yeah, like what is this what only thing? Does it actually say in here? Quick guide, document setup, make install, it's all this stuff. Installation on Windows, home. Okay, so this is the default? No. What only? I love that the context of this, maybe I'm just unaware of what that means, but I don't know. Types are the what only language. Well, how do I know? I want to see. I want to see if I do Control F. What? Yeah, it's not showing me anything in here. Introduction environment setup. Yeah, it's just like showing me, it's literally just showing me things in here. Where are you going? What? LOLCODE. What? Ah! It doesn't have great docs though. That's the interesting thing. Hold on. LOLCODE docs. LOLCODE, no, LOLCODE. Well, I mean, maybe it does have good docs, but it's definitely outdated docs. All right. What? Nothing. Nothing. What? I don't even think it references this stuff. I don't think it even is going to. Maybe I'll try this. Shoe. Yeah, like no reference to it. I don't know. Whatever. We'll deal with the original. We'll just assume that anything that's related to this what stuff is just not going to be doable. Okay, so let's create a feature flag here. We were doing that in the code. All right, so can I have studio? Fine. I as a feature flag, it's lose. And now, so this is just like a basic feature flag, visible, hi world, but we need to do if. We need to do an if statement, if, in your loop, infinite loop, no. If statements, if, else if, are else. Oh, come on, community. Oh, hold on. Where was I before? Where it was giving me, I was on like a page where I had it was showing me a good like cheat sheet. Oh, it was learn X in Y LOLCODE. It was this one. And then R else or RLSE else. Some both binary notation. I as a color, give me color WTF. OMGR. If then statement, I has an animal, both same animal and cat. Oh, really? Yeah, really. Okay, here we go. Oh, I see. Let's do this. Give me color. Oh, I see. Okay, let's do the. Okay. Has a streams good for my learning. Yeah, it's definitely a weird one. Hey, I know this one I knew was going to be a little bit weird. I has animal. Give me animal. Yeah, this one's going to be weird for you. I apologize. It's lose. Both same animal and count. Oh, really? Yeah, really. Maybe both same animal and mouse. Nom nom. Both same animal and mouse. All right. Yeah, really. No way. Rockstar. What's Rockstar? Rockstar. Rockstar. Yes. Rockstar esoteric. What is it? Turing complete programming languages. Listen to the box. The box is gone. Say box. Else while the box is gone. Say the box. Ooh, I kind of like that actually. Truth Machine and Rockstar. Midnight takes your heart and soul. Fizz buzz while your heart is as high as your soul. This is poetry. I love it. I love an esoteric language. It's also poetry. It very much screams you, Mr. Methin around. All right, let's jump back in here. Okay, so we got this. I need to put this inside of here, and I don't want to visible this. Not yet. All right, both same animal. Both. Okay, where's my LOLCODE? Okay, if then statement. Both same animal and true. Both same feature flag and lose. Oh, really? Yeah, really. Visible. Feature on. Feature on. It's all this like all cap stuff drives me nuts. Feature off. So this should work, question mark. Stop. Let's clear this. Clear history, run. Oh, variable does not exist, lose. Both same. Oh yeah, because that's right. If, what's the if? If. Typed, untyped, numerical values, strings, types, operators. If, Boolean comparison. Oh, that's right. Yeah, because I was comparing X and Y. I just want to say if. Like, what's just a standard if statement? Statements. It, variable, expression, if then. Okay. Oh, really? Yeah, really. Expression, both same. Oh, I get it. All right, so let's go back over here. Feature flag. So I'm not comparing two values here. If feature flag, if is, oh, really? It will same animal. Yes, really? Oh, really? Yeah, really? No way. Expression. Okay, I feel like I also need to just break this up. Oh, really? Do you have, and you have to enter no IC. No way. Okay, visible. Yes, yes, yes. Is it literally just if? No, because the expression is here. So this is the expression. If, we're going to try if. I'm going to see if this works. I feel like it's not. I feel like we're going to get an error. Yeah. Expected and that's fine. All right. So, but we're almost there. We're on the right track. So this is basically, oh, really? If feature flag is lose. Give me animal, both same animal. Oh, I see. By the way, I has color. Give me color, WTF. Oh my God, R, visible redfish. Oh my God, yes, visible. By the way, since there's no G to this. Yeah, me neither. Me neither. I don't know about programming anymore either. I has a temperature, great temperature is now a number in your loop. By the way, BTW for loop. Oh, yeah, I don't want to do for loop. I want to do flow control, if then statement. Both same. We're figuring this out. Else if, oh really? Yes, we got expression, yeah really. Both same. LOLCODE switches for TO. No, we're not going to do the switching. Value literal. Oh, maybe this is it. OMG, value literal. So let's try this. WTF. Switch to it being expression value for comparison. All right, let's try this. Color WTF. Oh yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. All right, let's do this. WTF. Oh, really? No. And then OMG. OMG, value literal. Color WTF. Color WTF. OMGR. Okay, I think I got this now. Feature flag, comma WTF. Get rid of the oh really. And then I think it's OMG, give me color. Yeah, color WTF, OMGR. Okay, yeah. OMG WTF. Okay, I get this. This is if else statements. Okay. OMG WTF. OMG WTF. Visible feature off. Okay, so then if we say OMG true or lose, I don't know if that returns false or not. Let's actually see. I want to see what this returns. Let's get rid of all this for a second. I'm just going to visible, let's copy that. And then visible feature flag. I want to know what that returns. Stop start. What? Variable does not exist. Lose. What do you mean? Win? I has a Boolean. It's win. Maybe I was wrong. Win? Or was it fail? Failed to wait for process. Cannot cast Boolean to string value. Oh, that tracks. All right. It's feature flag is now a how did I convert that again? Convert is now how do you convert stored as a yarn convert to a number? Oh, age is now a number. Okay, age now a string is now a yarn. Okay, that's what it is. Feature flag is or is. I lost it. Learn X and Y is now a yarn. Feature flag is now a yarn. Stop and start. Cast Boolean. Feature flag is now a yarn. As a feature flag, cannot cast Boolean to a string value, visible feature flag, but that should convert it to a string. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna forget this. We're not gonna do this anymore. We're gonna go back to what I was doing before. I'm gonna try win. We're gonna see what happens. OMG. Win. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Okay, sick. Is it fail? I feel like fail is not true. It's gonna throw an error. I don't. Is it fail? Is it lose? Wonder if this should throw an error, I think. Yeah, there we go. So it's win and lose. No, it's win and fail. That's so weird. That's so strange. I really don't like that. I really don't like that. Oh, internet. But funny enough, like this is actually like a functional feature flag right here. Epic win, epic fail. Thank you. Let's zoom in here. So technically this is a functional feature flag that we have in here. So technically you can toggle in here, which is like kind of wild to me. So this is like a functional feature flag in this application that we are controlling. I wonder if you can do a call from external. Holy moly. This is wild, hey? OMG fail. Okay, OMG win. It's fail. Fail. So now, should be feature off. All right, so here we go. We got it. We got a feature flag. It's fail. We got a simple Boolean feature flag in here. All right, can you do LOLCODE call external LOLCODE tutorial? I don't think you can actually do this. Don't you consider the introduce calls against C++ libraries? Get request. I wonder if this is possible. There's like a web server version of this, a minimal HTTP server. I think you can do get requests in here. Profit. Yeah, HTTPD, lol, HTML, hi inter. We're gonna do this. We're gonna get a web server running here. This is a terrible idea. This is a terrible idea. Whose idea was this? I don't like this, but we're gonna do it anyways. All right, we're gonna create a new file in here. We're gonna call this, what do we call it over here? lol.html, lol.html. Done, done. Hi interwebs, lol.html, httpd. We're gonna, can you comment out? I guess, oh, I can. I remember how to comment out now. Commenting out was it OMFG? Comment. OBTWTLDR. OBTWTLDR. Okay, we're gonna make sure that we can see that this is a comment now. I don't love that. But there, we can at least keep this in here. I should just move that to a different file. I'm just gonna move this to a different file. I'm gonna leave this. Yeah, BTW is a single line comment, and then OBT whatever, and then the TLDR is multi-line. I win. Okay, this is working. Let's create a new one, and we're gonna call this one HTTPD. This is wild. This is a terrible idea. I don't know why. Programming is not a good idea. All right. You have to run this one. Run. Feature on. Why are you running this one? Do I need to define? Can I define which one I run? I guess I can just go LCI, HTTPD. Assuming it's running this. Select one to run. Oh, no, none of that. What is this run actually running? Does it only run main.lol? Where can I figure that out? Extension, networking, shell, no. User settings, thread, system dependencies. Define run. Where are we defining what run does? Clear this. Maybe it's in here. Change tab? No. There's probably, this has got to be defined in here somewhere. Is there hidden files in here? Show hidden files, replit. There we go. I'm going to change this one to HTTPD. Hey, Slurpee, welcome back, my friend. We are playing around in LOLCODE today. We are playing around in LOLCODE. All right, let's run this. All right, we got a web server, maybe. Oh, hold on. What is happening here? Console, let's close all of this. Stop. I have no idea. All right, is this actually running? Terminated. Running. Oh, maybe I just need to open my blurry 12 AMIs on 1% brightness. Look at my screen. I saw stuff. I believe that I was Chinese. Yeah, I mean, Chinese is probably close for this one. This is hard to understand. We are like, this is it. This is us building a web server. All right, let's go here. Lol HTML. So this is what it should be opening. 1337. How do I? Where is it hiding here? Output, package, secrets, SSH, shell, web view, Preview your REPL as no web server is currently running. Try running your REPL. I mean, it's doing something. This is all very confusing. I don't know why it's not doing what I want it to do. Do I need to install anything here? README license. HTTPD, LOL. Okay, point your favorite HTTP getter to that. Profit. Now we're using netcat, but browsers work just fine as well. Echo get command is lol, file lol. Okay, that should. But browsers work just fine. LCI, HTTPD, and echo. Yeah, why isn't it stable? LOLCODE. Oh, maybe that's why. Entry point httpd.lol stop? Maybe. Ooh, look at you. Look at you go, Andrew. I may not have anything to do doing, but I'm still loyal. Yes, Slurpee. I don't even know what I'm doing today. Today, we've barely gotten into feature flag. This is like our code today, my friend. This is it. I don't even know what this is. This is wild. We're going to look through this code in a minute, but I'm going to see if I can get this to run. Oh, formatting happened. Interpreter, web view. It's not actually starting in here anything. Crunchy looking code. That is so true. What is, like, I don't even know what's happening here. I'm going to refresh this. I don't know what's happening. Craziness is going on right now. We've done a thing. This should, oh, maybe this is it. Because it's like trying to example. Oh no, this is comments. A minimal web server written in LOLCODE. High 1.4. It's not actually wrapping this. Oh no, okay, thanks, bye. Okay, so this is the entire code. Replit, LOLCODE LCI, stable 22, entry point is here, console is here. What if I run, what was this command? LCI command, small bar T, interpreter command, small bar T, LCI, is it this? LCI, maybe I'll try that in console. Yes, no. Console. No, not console. Shell, there we go. LCI, httpd.lol. LCI command not found. This is the HTTPD. Okay, that's the right thing. Shell. It's not finding it. Stop. Replit. Let's close this. Maybe nix. No, it's fine. That's it. LOLCODE. Config files. Main.lol. I mean, okay, hold on. Let's repoint this to. Let's go back to what it was before and run. Feature on. Okay, we're there. We got this. So now what if we go in here into this replit and then we're going, or maybe was there a readme? No, there was no readme in here. Nix channel, small bar. Whoo, this is a thing that we are doing. Holy cannoli. Web view, main LOL. Web view. Why is this not running? Because there's nothing in here. That's why. HTTPD. Let's grab this whole thing. Maybe I didn't grab everything that I needed the first time. Let's stop and start this again. Did I change this over? Stop. Feature on. Okay, start, stop, replit. We're going to go entry point as HTTPD. HTTPD. Run. Save? Do I need to save this? No, it keeps running that command. Detect PS1. All right. I guess we're just going to go here again. Ah. Okay. We got it now. Manage this in networking tool. Cannot be found. Okay, but then we should be able to go lol.html. Hey, let's go. Oh, we did it, everybody. We got there. I'm here for this. All right. Now. Okay, what else can we do with this? Does it actually tell us in our README? What else can we do here, Justin Meza? Can we do a GET request? I feel like you probably can't. Like, that's literally it. I mean, probably can run JavaScript or something in here now. And then we could actually... Is this going to be my workaround? Is my workaround literally going to be that I am going to use JavaScript to do this job? No, no, it is not. Lolcat web server. Oh, not lolcat, LOLCODE web server. A web server that runs LOLCODE. No. No. LOLCODE web server. Web server. LOLCODE web server. What is happening here? Is this literally it? Is this literally the only thing? A minimal HTTP server written in LOLCODE. I want to look through this code and see. Maybe we can add something in here. But it's working. That's good. Okay, let's look in here. All right. And server, context, data, okay. So what's actually happening in here? This is all comments. We don't care about this. Has studio, has socks, has string. Socks. What's socks? Oh, socks. Socks. LOLCODE. Can I has socks? Can I have its socks are resolved? By the way, should be send some stuff. Put your local and remote MK. Get a local socks LOLCODE. Let's go socks LOLCODE. See what that is. Socks LOLCODE. Oh, here we go. Socks. Truth. Socks. Yeah, but where is that library? Socks library. LOLCODE socks library. By the way, many feature 1.4, high 1.4, create an array, string library, has length, files, sockets library. Listen for a connection, read from connection, as a packet, write to connection, connect to a listening port. Okay, sockets library, get request from LOLCODE. Can you actually do this? Nerfing. Objective LOLCODE. Objective LOLCODE. Rewritten version. I mean, that's interesting. Maybe this is the what? Error handling, objects, collections, Please create, tell, please run, stand library time. LOLCODE. 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 LOLCODE online editor. I don't know what we can actually do with socks. We were looking in here. Where was it? Was talking about socks. Socks library. LOLCODE. I feel like I'm answering my question today. Can we use the standard? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. Connecting to a remote TCP server. Can I have supercomputer? Rant against C++ programming. Socks. Let's see if ChatGPT can help us today. ChatGPT. Let's see what you've got, ChatGPT. What do you got for us today? All right, let's see. How can I do a GET request to an API in LOLCODE? Ooh. Let's get a simple, let's go simple quote API. All right, and what does this do? I feel like quotes, get request to here. Oh, really? Can you not do this without an API key? Category happiness? You must need an API key. That makes sense. Happiness. No API key, public API. Big list of free and open public APIs. API Guru, Open API, Color Trends, Dice Bear. I don't want that. Dog images, placeholder images, cat images. Oh, I mean, cat images would be fun. Maybe we'll do cat images. No. I mean, actually. Amazing. Spectacular. 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 I'm going to incorporate this into my application. My personal one that I build. Ooh, I got some cow legs going on back there. All right. We're going to try this. I wonder what this will do, actually. Let's go back to our project. Let's go api.lol. And we're going to change this to api.lol and this to api.lol. Run. Ooh, error. Unknown token app plus. Ooh, it did work, actually. I think. No, it did not. Clear the console. Failed token API lol. I has data. It's. Where was that one? Right here. All right. I wonder if this is going to throw an error because it was showing like plus. Failed to run program. API lol 7. I has a curl command. It is curl plus URL. Oh, no, it's like concat. I has a URL, and then I want to do I has a curl command. It's curl s, and then it's like this. I has a response. It's system curl command. Stop start. Failed to run program. Unknown token at URL. What unknown token? I has a curl command. It's curl s. I has a response. It's, by the way, use the system command to call a curl. Is there a system command? This seems... I has a response. I don't think system is an actual command. System LOLCODE. I don't think that actually exists. I think you're making things up. I think that existed in like the other, like the objective, or was it objective or yeah, objective LOLCODE. I feel like this is the one that had system. System. So like we can do an encode. We can do like an encode, but it's not really a feature flag. It's not really a feature flag. Well, I mean, technically it's a feature flag. It doesn't really toggle is what we're discovering here. We'll give this a couple. We got like 20 more minutes. But it doesn't really toggle. That's the long and the short of it here. I don't think it can do an API call. System curl command. Where curl on your system or the script? Where does system come from? Yeah, that's what I thought. In reality, LOLCODE has very limited capabilities, doesn't support making external calls. Okay, that's what I thought. Yeah. Yeah, I love that. Okay, so it doesn't actually make external calls. I feel like it could. External calls LOLCODE. There's gotta be a way. I don't fully believe that you can't make any external. Like we made a feature flag. Like this, it is a functional feature flag that we made. It worked. This is garbage. Get rid of that. Delete. Yes, delete file. Technically, this web server works. No, I'm not going to be defeated. I refuse to be defeated. No. You know what? You know what we're going to do here? I refuse to be defeated. DEVCYCLE. JavaScript. I refuse. Nay, it shan't happen. Boom. We're doing this. Head. Script. Getting started. We're gonna do this. We're doing this. In here. Script. I'm gonna have to go and get my key in a minute. Where's my usage? Boom. We're grabbing this. Boom. And we're gonna add a script in here. All right. Boom. User. Okay, I need to get a key. app.devcycle.com. I refuse to be defeated today. Refuse. It shan't happen. Not today, Satan. Not today. All right. Client. We're going to throw our key in here. Am I on the right one? Yeah. Test project. I'll delete afterwards. Does the client variable value? Do I have a variable feature in here? I have a hello world feature. So I got this. I'm gonna grab hello world, which should be set to false. No, it's set to true. Well, it's hello world. Oh, cat. Oh, all right. Actually literally have a cat thing set up in here, which makes me so happy. I love that y'all, I'm like, do I really hate DEVCYCLE? Replace initialize DEVCYCLE with DEVCYCLE initialize DEVCYCLE using the CDN. DEVCYCLE initialize DEVCYCLE. DEVCYCLE initialize DEVCYCLE. Yes, yes, yes. If DEVCYCLE clat equals, what was it set up as? Hello. Message one. Change this. All users message one. Save. If it equals hello. Otherwise world. All right. Come on. Back here. Back here. False. Oh no. Cat. Default. Default. Whoa! I just lost everybody. There we go. Default. Equals. Hello. Print. No. Console log. Let's console log something. Hello. Else. Console log. Ah! Hold. Stop. What? Oh. Get out of there. Get out of there. HTTPD. Where? What? No. Wait. No. File is not found. Lol.html. It's in a loop. It is in a loop. Holy moly. Why is it in a loop? Address already in use. Lol.html? No. Stop. Close. Delete. Let's get rid of this for a second. Replit is right. HTTPD run. Web view. Couldn't load it. All right, run. Why is nothing happening? Console output. There was an error connecting to the server. Maybe it's because I can't call this external script in the head. Lol.html. This should be good. Yeah. Why? It was literally working before. I did nothing. Nothing. Let's refresh. If all else fails, turn it on and off again. No. Make sure this replit port loading your page. Console output. There was an error connecting to the server. It's possible your ISP have security sync log URL. Please. What has occurred? My fine console recent output run. Working. Local port, external port, output. Let's try again. Try again. Diagnosis. No, I don't believe it. There's something going on here. It's not this, because we had this working. It was there. Main LOL. Maybe I did actually just do too many requests because it's in that loop. Something's going on. Something's going on. I don't want to stop this. How do I stop it? Stop. I feel like there's probably a REPLs. Deployments usage shared with me unnamed. Yeah, this is the one. Files. Replit. This. Let's change it back. Let's go back in here. Change it back to the main. Let's get our feature flag that was working. Failed to compile new environment. Internal port. Yeah, that's fine. This. Like, bruh, what's happened now? Like, we're on the right thing. I feel like this may be a replit error. Main.lol. Run. Run. You may need the output. I'm just gonna go and freaking restart this. I'm gonna duplicate this one. Go back. Oh, replit. REPLs. Unnamed. Fork REPL. Let's try this. Run. Show. Parse error. Unable to decode replit. Missing internal port, local port. Couldn't get NIC's environment. Problem reading replit file. Unable to decode replit. Missing internal port map. What? This is suddenly not working? I'm getting this working before I go. So we're getting some sort of an error here now, which we weren't getting before. We haven't hit anything here. There was an error connecting to the server. It should just be outputting this. Like, this is what it should be doing. LOLCODE. Can I go back here with everything that I've done? Like, this should be running. This should be fine. There should be no issues here. Which is what's so strange about this. Like we've got our formatter running. That's fine. Our run isn't actually doing anything. Main.lol is win, feature flag, win, feature on. Like it should be showing this. Like this is a functional program that we actually had working earlier. I mean, let's go back and let me do a new one. Let's just do this again. Duplicate. Let's go back to REPL. We'll create a new project. We'll do this from scratch. Create a new one. Create REPL. LOLCODE. I don't know. Maybe it's a REPL bug. All right. Let's create a REPL. No file open. REPL's booting. Here we go. Run. Loading next environment. This should do the job, but yeah, feature on. Okay, so we're working again. Okay, now we're going to create lol.html. And then we're going to create httpd.lol. Okay. Oh, httpd. .lol. Okay. And then we're going to go in here. We're going to grab this, all of this. We're going to go here. Oh, wrong one. I'm going to put this in here and save. Oh, wait, what? No. We're going to go in here, copy, over to here, copy that, save, and then we're going to go into here. Must have somehow broken the REPL. Okay, that's fine. And now we're going to go into here and we're going to stop this. And we're going to change this to httpd and change this one to that and run. Okay, so now we've got a port. Okay, good. Awesome. And then we're going to go to, was it lol.html? Okay, so there we go, lol.html. So now, because it's running, great, okay. And now if I go into my lol HTML and I turn on this script, run. Oh, wrong one. Wrong one. Now if I go into here and I do this, stop, run. Okay, adder's already in use. Okay. No. And then what if I do index, or is it index.lol or lol.html? Okay, it doesn't like that. Stop. I'm going to delete these, remove port config. Okay. And we're going to stop that. Close that. I don't want it to reconnect. Yeah, so this is not easier to restarting help. No, it didn't help. I don't know what's going on. It's like not happy. It doesn't like what we're trying to do here. Run. Yeah, it's very unhappy with us. Missing internal port, external port, local port. I mean, I think it's because of the port stuff that we're trying to do in here. I think it's this. It doesn't like some of the sock stuff that we're doing in here. It's because we're running it in a REPL. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna work. Networking, web view, networking. Can I reset anything in here? Port config is saved. Yeah, so this is what it was. Maybe I'll just delete this stuff. I feel like this wasn't here before. I feel like this stuff wasn't here before. Yeah, this wasn't here before. I'm gonna delete this and run. Okay, so we're back to our original. So let's try the HTTPD. Okay, oh, stop. And then I'm gonna go back over here and run. Come on, networking. Maybe if I just go here and lol. Here. Might have updated it. No. Do I need to actually define the port? Set external port. 80. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's what I wanted to do. Okay, so this is here. And now if I look into my inspector, not seeing anything third party, but I would have expected. Oh, you know why? Oh no, it should be there. Let's try this. Let's see what happens here. It's gonna break something. Lol, HTML missing after argument list. Okay. That's fine. If that equals hello. Cat, hello. One more. Hold on. Okay. If I mean, let's just see if that exists. Try that. Console, refresh. Unexpected token. Oh. That's why. Okay. Console. Oh, we did it. We did it. Okay, so like, it doesn't easily toggle. It's definitely not OpenFeature compliant, but it's there. Like it's updating. It's updating. Holy moly! I mean, we learned code. Oh my goodness. So technically, no, it does not toggle. But with some creative server creation, I'm sure there's probably a way that we could do this. Probably. If I knew this programming language better and this whole socks library, maybe. Receive a connection. I have a connection. Connection is socks. Listen. Yeah. Yeah, I could. I could using this, but it would take me much longer. So maybe I've just found the easy workaround here. But hold on, let's just change something quickly. Let's actually show this in context. Let's select, I need to do an element. Body blink. Okay, let's go this blink. Blink. Select all body JavaScript. Like body element, document body. Maybe that's it. Document. Is that what you call, like, what is an element? select entire element JavaScript. I mean, I can just, what is this blink thing? Maybe this is specific to this. Blink. No, blink's not in there. Maybe that's for classes and stuff like that. How do we do this? Query selector all. What do you even call that? What do you call the like? Maybe I'll just do all H1. Select all H1 elements with JavaScript. Query selector H1. All right, document query selector. We're going to do const or var heading equals this. And then we're going to do, how do we change the internal? Change text inside of a div JavaScript. Inner HTML. Heading, inner HTML, inner HTML, HTML, inner HTML. Yeah, you should still learn how to code. This is just silliness. I'm doing it. Don't do LOLCODE. That's the TLDR here. Hello world. Comma. Okay, let's run this. Networking 80 should still be here. Okay, so like, oh, maybe I'll just do hello and then world. So like here's an actual functional feature flag, but like, is it really LOLCODE? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know if I would count this. Stop start. Oh no! What happened? Networking. Oh, this thing happened again. I want to kill both these. Remove port config. Remove port config. Back into the replit stuff. Run. External port 80. Close enough counts. Should be working again. What is happening? No, we don't like this. Remove port config. Get rid of this. Stop. Refresh. Reload site. Yes. Run. Error requiring socket descriptor. Stop. Start. Networking. No. I don't like this. Localhost new port. Remove this. Remove port config. I think I need to change this back. This main one. Main. Run. Great. Networking. Clear this. Now I'll change it back. Stop. Run. There we go. This is back. Networking. Set external port 80. And lol.html. Hey, let's go. And I'm pretty sure if I go over here and change this, app.html, app.devcycle.com. All right. So does it toggle? No. It does not toggle. Not easily. I mean, maybe it would if we had longer. But if I go and change this to message 2, update this, go back to my application. I don't know if this should update in real time. It definitely did, but it didn't update on the screen. This is, oh, did I not save it? No, I did. Did I not update the other thing? Oh, I guess it always does have cat. That's why. Update this one too. If cat equals hello. Is it hello or hello? Yeah, hello. World. Let's go. Functional feature flag. And then I think we go here and change it again. Probably will do this in real time. No. I mean, it works. It's a feature flag. Technically, we've got a web server built in LOLCODE, which is implementing our JavaScript feature flags, which are not fully open feature compliant, but they're close. I count this as a win. What do you think, Casual Economist? Is this a win for us today? Anybody else is here too. Is this a win? Did we get there? Did we do it? I feel like we did. I like what we accomplished here today. In 2 hours and 12 minutes, but we got there. We didn't even need to install anything on our device. I mean, this is pretty straightforward, but really, like, this is the real stuff that's going on. So it's using the socks library. It's doing a header, reading file, bin, has a card. This is just like, this is crazy. This is a lot. Has a reply, file content, smush. This is serve it up. This is a lot. Holy cannoli. We got there. We did it. I'm counting this as a win. So I would say if you're looking for Learn X, I feel like Learn X and Y was maybe the most helpful thing here. It didn't lead us down the wrong road, and I kind of understood it. But even this is like, oh my goodness. Calling a function, declaring a function. Holy moly. We didn't even get that far. We didn't get everywhere on here, but we got pretty far. So, all right. It's Friday. It's like 6 o'clock on the East Coast. It's almost 3:30 here on the West Coast. I think it's time to call it for today. Oh, but I need to get this other view up. Not that one. This one, yeah. So we're back. We're back, baby. We're here. We are doing some DevRel again. We're going to be back. Lots of streams next week. It's going to be an amazing week. And for all of those who stuck around with us and learned some LOLCODE and helped us answer the question, does it toggle? Which really doesn't, but it was okay. It was a fun exploration. Well, kind of toggles. It doesn't open feature toggle, but it was a thing. But thank you all for being here. I always really appreciate you being here. If you want to stay up to date on all the things that are happening around the DevCycle community, head over to our Discord server, follow us on Twitter, follow us on X, I should say, and Threads and LinkedIn. We got lots of stuff over there. And yeah, stay tuned. There's lots of exciting things that are coming down the pipeline. So with all that said, I'm going to let y'all go for this Friday. Say thank you again for being here. I'm going to put our Discord link at the bottom of the screen here to follow us. That'll be there for kind of the rest of the couple of minutes, but while I shut things down. And other than that, I will say farewell for today. Have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll see you next week and around the DevCycle community. Bye-bye.
Don't go in there. They're having the let's try to figure out what customers want meeting again. It's gotten a little weird.
Signups are strong, but adoption of key features remains stagnant. What do?
We gotta merge our PR. Yeah, we have to. That's our only choice. Okay.
We cast merge on the PR for the new dashboard.
Your actions have caused the company to go viral for the wrong reason.
God.
Oh no, what do we do?
Roll for initiative.
I can't.
New features shouldn't be left to a roll of the dice. Use DEVCYCLE to ship with low risk and instant rollbacks. Unrolls, re-rolls.
How do we make this into a dice pun?